it's Connie again. Do you remember when we talked about wild, tame, and domestic? We talked about those great domestic animals that help us out. Well, one of the things they do for us is they provide cool stuff for us. How many of you like cheese? Yeah, cheese. Where does cheese come from, do you know? It comes from, typically when you go to the store, it comes from a cow. There's two kinds of cows. One cow is a dairy cow. Do we know what dairy is? We're looking at it. And then another cow is a meat cow. You know that delicious hamburger that you eat? That's from your meat cow, okay? So the thing is that's really great is this nice creamy yogurt and this cheese not just comes from cows, but it comes from goats and it comes from sheep. Did you know that Ohio has the largest sheep dairy production in all of 50 states? Crazy. Have you ever had sheep's milk or sheep's cheese? How about goat cheese? I dare you to go and try some. So one of the other things that we get is we also get wool from our sheep. It starts off like this, and then we wash it, and then we card it out, and it becomes roving like this, and all the vegetation and all the nastiness is taken out, and then we spin it into yarn. And what do we use yarn for? Do you know? Can you tell me? Yeah, so we have that. One other thing is that a lot of people don't know is that a cow, see her udders? She can give us 8 gallons of milk a day. One cow, 8 gallons of milk a day. Crazy, huh? Now, goats give us milk and sheep give us milk, but it's more like this much milk. They give us 3 of these a day. This is a quart, okay? 3 of these a day you can get from a goat. The one thing is this milk's richer and more protein in it than cow's milk. So I dare you to go try some goat milk. One of the other things that's really great is the rabbits here on the farm. They also have their place, and they give us rabbit poo. Yeah, that's right, rabbit poo. Can you see that rabbit poo? It's great stuff, believe it or not. We use the rabbit poo in our gardens. Yes, because it's a miracle fertilizer. Yes, then the rabbits help grow all of our plants and our veggies and stuff in our garden here at Possum Creek. So yeah, all of our rabbits and stuff are playing important here on that. And this is what they do. They give us fertilizer. We call it, you might call it poop, but we actually call it manure. The other animal that we have here on the farm is our chickens. And they are very important. They provide meat for us. But one of the great things they also provide us is eggs. Check out these beautiful eggs. These come from our chickens. Okay, isn't that cool? Yeah, so they'll provide us eggs. They also poo or manure, and we use that in our gardens also. Isn't those cool? They lay them that. It's like Easter here every day when the chickens lay. So, to know that you should know that the animals that we raise, we take care of them, and in return, they help us out and provide food for us. We give them food, and then they give us food. And they help with our garden, clothes to wear, and hey, who can't say that they don't love cheese or yogurt? One of the other things I wanted to show you too, even though it doesn't come from an animal, but you can grow it in your garden, is this. It's so soft. Can you guess what it is? It's not wool, it's cotton. Yeah, where does cotton come from? It comes from a plant. But still, it's kind of, I had to show you because I think it's really, really cool. Because can you really tell? So, that's it for me. And I hope you have a great day.